bath. I'm saying po. Ah, bath. 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 Now what you say about love? Learn every time I leave. Stranger, so in danger. I gotta let my spirit be free to admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. Sorry, but I have to move on and leave you behind. Didn't think of it every moment. I realized nothing's broken. Yes, po. I've done that every second like it was my last one. Don't look like I knew the connection. I love you once. Si Chichi, paano ba magano? Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Si Chichi, paano ba magsabi nun? Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. And right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. Per person. That's over $200. Pounds pala, sorry. Not dollars, pounds. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Protection, you're still a part of everything I do. You're on my heart just like a tattoo. I love you, tattoo. I'll always love you. I'll always love you. Like, oh, na-turn on ko ba si Siri dito? Ay, hindi. Nakalive ako eh. Exit ko muna. Tignan ko kung makakausap ko si Siri. Hey Siri, do you know Chichi? Ay, hindi nagsasalita. Siri, I cannot hear you. This is as loud as I get. Gago. Raulo. Bata ka ano si Siri ko. Hindi ko siya nadidinig. Dapat nagsasalita. Tapos. Hindi naman pala eh. Hello Siri? Hindi na siya nagsasalita. Hello Siri, do you know Chichi? Siri, who is the father of modern computer? Charles Babbage daw. Siri, do you know that Chichi is a robot? Do you think Chichi is handsome? Wala daw siyang sagot. Chichi is handsome. Chichi is handsome. Wala, naglagot. Chichi is handsome. Oh, she doesn't understand. Do you think Chichi is handsome? Biglang nag-go off, gago. Do you think Chichi is handsome? Chichi is handsome. Siri, I'm gonna teach you something. Bobo naman ito, putang ina. Yung dating Siri ko na natuturuan ko eh. Siri, call me master. Takin mo. Dati I can tell her what to do. Now you cannot tell her what to do. You're getting too complicated for me, Siri. Bye. Siri, you're stupid. That's not nice. I know. Chichi. Uh, balancing curve. Meron gago. Ayoko na nga. Nakita mo. Nakwenta yung Siri ngayon, hindi na nakakausap. Before you can have a full-blown conversation with Siri, ngayon she's stupid. I don't know what happened with her. Yeah, when they first launched Siri, I would play with it. Like, I would have a conversation with her. Yeah, it's a downgrade.